So friends, this is online at Touch Blue Sky channel. In this my video, Windows 8.1 installation step by step very easily. So before you watch this video, watch my previous video, very important Windows 8 and Windows 8 related everything information. I already give this video. Okay, my last previous video part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay. So in this my video, I am already created a Windows 8.1. This is you can see in this video, this is a Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 related information related everything I am told you. Okay, my last previous video. So you can see here, this is everything Microsoft Windows 8 or 8.1 related everything information I am already give you, and you can see here every site, every features related I am already discussed in my first Windows 8.1 information video. So must watch this video. Windows 8.1 same is why create a Windows 8.1 operating system. So this is a Windows 8.1 is very important, and this video already I am created in my playlist Windows 8.1. Okay, so if you want installation and very completely installation, so must watch this video. And the second video is how to create a bootable pen drive and how you can use a bootable pen drive. I'm already created this video, and watch my second and third video. Okay, so this is the second and third video in the how to download bootable pen drive, how to build pen drive, bootable pen drive tool, how to download operating system. So you, if you want a bootable pen drive creator, so first watch how to download ISO file. Okay, ISO file means Windows 8.1 ISO file download. Okay, so this is a type of created different files of ISO, and you want, if you want Windows 10 bootable pen drive, so you want to first bootable pen drive ISO Windows 10. You want to create Windows 8.1 bootable ISO file. So Windows 8.1 ISO file download, and I'm already told you last my previous how to use bootable pen drive, how to make bootable pen drive. So must watch this, very important for you. Either you cannot understand how to installation and how to completely useful window these tool of Windows 8.1 and Windows 8.1 related everything information I'm already give you. Okay, so you can see here in this my video, very important for you, because I am already created lot of Windows 8, Windows 8.1 information, bootable pen drive tools, how to download Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 ISO file, and the third option is very how to completely your start your bootable pen drive to make for your computer and computer information related. Okay, so everything I am completely show you my first and second and third video. Okay, step by step follow me, and this is very important for the third video. In after you can how to installation time important note of for you, because you are using Windows 7 and you want to go into Windows 8.1 making bootable pen drive. So installation, before installation, take your data backup. Okay, because this is a very important, and watch partition video. Okay, so partition video in how to you completely partition, how to sometime very important for note and information your partition. So we are install every any installation. This video I will discuss in completely Windows 8.1. Okay, so same as it is installation step, but Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 installation some 10% different. So I will discuss in this video. Okay, so before you start installation video, you must watch first Windows 8 and 8.1 information video. Second is your bootable pen drive how to make, and third is a bootable ISO file how to make bootable, and fourth is your important is BIOS. Okay, so first you are press you know very important for delete button, and go into BIOS settings and open it. Okay, so how you BIOS setting open, restart your computer and press your again uh, your delete button and go into your boot menu, and boot menu inside your but before you start your computer, first insert your pen drive, very important for you. Okay, either you can use boot menu F8, F12, F10. So different computer laptop have using a bootable menu and bootable system. So must watch this video completely, don't skip this video, okay, because very important for you. This is a boot menu, and either you have not directly, you have no option directly open, so you can go into BIOS menu settings and click on boot menu, and the boot menu find up bootable devices. So select first boot devices, but note is very important, bootable pen drive already attached in before you open BIOS your menu. Okay, so you must have attach first bootable pen drive and restart your laptop, your desktop, and restart time, and again start delete button, and you go into BIOS menu. And BIOS menu, you can see here, this is showing my bootable pen drive. Okay, so this is a bootable pen drive. Inside I'm select my bootable pen drive. Okay, so before you installation complete, you make your bootable pen drive, and after restart your computer and and pen drive attach, and after attach you start your installation this type. Okay, so this is the start of installation process. And the second file, this time you can see here this type of showing. Okay, so you are Windows 7 using this type showing file, and either you are using Windows 8, Windows 8.1, so Windows operating system logo menu. So let's start and completely understand how to installation Windows 8, Windows 8.1 related everything information in this video. Okay, so first make bootable pen drive, attach bootable pen drive, restart and open BIOS menu, either boot menu, and select and open boot from your operating system or you boot from your USB drive. So friends, you can see here this is I'm already and continue these my Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 related settings, and you can see here this is my settings setup. Windows 8.1 setup is start for installation. So I am already told you Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Microsoft operating system installation, same process. Okay, you can see here this is my Windows 8.1, these settings here Windows 8.1, but you can see here this is showing only Windows 8. Okay, so what is the Windows 8.1 not showing here? Because this is only one problem in this reason created Windows 8.1, because Windows 8 is not showing my computer icon, and this reason Microsoft company this mistake Microsoft company create a new operating system Windows 8.1. Okay, so you can see here this is a Windows 8.1, and same I'm already told you Windows 7 installation time. Okay, Windows 7 installation time completely I am showing you how is Windows 7 installation and how completely set up here. Okay, so you can see here this is the same of Windows 7. You can see this is a Windows language installation, and the time currency format you can select from here. Either you can nest some installation after, you can change here, but I'm enter Windows time and currency format, so I am already enter already English US. Okay, and keyboard language and key input method, so you can enter US, and you can on your Chinese, but this is only limited of you can see this is settings. So next click on here And I'm already told you repair your computer in Windows 7 installation video, very important. So watch my Windows 7 related information. Okay, Windows 7 installation video, very important for you, because I'm already lot of give information Windows 7. So you can see here, this is a Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, Windows 10, any installation, same process. So my last previous Windows installation, Windows 7, already told you repair computer. One type of repair your computer operating system by repair your some advanced tools. So click on install, and install now. Click on, you can see this is my setup is starting. Okay, so setup is start, and completely take you can see here in this my video 3 tab additional. You can see Windows 8.1 Pro update 3, Windows 8.1 Pro license with update 3, and Windows 8.1 Enterprise. So you can see Windows Pro and Enterprise. I have only 2 type additional, and you can see this is a Windows 8.1 showing here. Okay, see, you can see this is Windows 8.1. Okay, and the 32-bit, and this is in this my architecture 32-bit. 86 means 32-bit, and 64-bit you can see here, because 64 is my motherboard, 64-bit my CPU, and the 64-bit my motherboard architecture completely support here. So I'm select the 64-bit additional. What is the additional? I'm already told you Windows 7 installation. So Windows 7 installation very important for you. So watch my Windows 7 installation video. Okay, so again I'm give one type of why give different type additional. Just look here, this is my have two only additional, Windows 8.1 Pro and Windows Enterprise. Okay, so this is a Windows Professional, means Pro means professional, and Windows 8.1 Enterprise. Some big companies, some big architectures say these reason using Enterprise. So Windows Home Premium, Windows Home Basic, Windows Starter, these 3 type additional this category type of operating system. So it is only for local computer using, but Windows Professional and Windows Enterprise, this is a large and lot of settings available in professional type. Okay, so I'm select this Windows Pro with update 3, and I'm already told you in Windows 7 how architecture using system. So before installation, this watch my video. Again I'm showing you, watch my 4 video, very important for you. Okay, I'm already told you my all video part wise here. Okay, so watch my previous 4 video, very important, and you can see here I am select this my professional update 3 64-bit, and click on next. Okay, so you can see here my click on next, and you can see license and condition. You can see here I accept, and click on, you may be you want to read, so you can read here, but I'm accept, click this button, and automatically this you can see without this not activate this button. So I'm again click on and click on next. So I'm already told you my last Windows 7 installation video in what is the upgrade. So upgrade is one type of, you see you are running time using a Windows 7, but you want without any file settings changing, any application changing, any, and you want to go into Windows 8.1 area, in Windows 8.1 type of settings, Windows 8.1 type of operating system you want. So you can install new Windows operating system, keep file settings and application. So how this possible? So first you want to need high level type and speed up your internet connection, and click on upgrade this option. So automatically start upgrading system and select it. Okay, custom, you can see this custom means I'm using a custom because this is an advanced level. You can see this is a custom, click on, and you can see this is my 40 GB hard disk. But in your case I'm already told you you are any using operating system, you are any operating system using, and you are already Windows 7 used to and going to Windows 8.1 area side. So showing other side partition, okay, other partition here, okay. So watch my Windows 7 in installation time. I'm already told you uh, change other partition only without partition C, okay, without one partition separate any, don't change anything, but other partition change name and showing here, okay. So main partition showing is a local C, and you can going to directly format, either you can delete here, okay. Just I'm going to showing you just I'm enter okay, 25 GB, okay, 25 GB means 25,000, enter here, okay, 25,000, okay, and I'm enter here, okay, apply and okay. So suppose some other partition here, okay, and you can see this is my main partition. So you first select it in delete, okay, partition, but before delete everything your backup, take backup your data, because your data very important, and I'm already told you in how to take backup in a computer, okay. So I'm again speak for you, very important, watch my for video, very important. Without for video my previous video very important for you, because you are installation your operating system, your Windows operating system, okay. So this reason some carefully, and sometime lost your data, and this reason maybe a problem creator. So sometime you can see here this other partition showing name, and the main partition is your Windows partition C, okay. So this is only format Windows partition C, and some reserved partition delete, okay. So you can see here this is my unallocated space computer showing me here. So this is unallocated space means free space in my computer hard disk, and next my video I will use this, okay. So this is my main computer primary system, okay, primary my main operating system partition, and everything installation time, every my operating system data copy in this partition, okay. So click on select this here and click on next. So you can see here this is my installation process start here in my computer hard disk, and everything data copy installation. So I will continue my video some sometime post, and this reason. So I'm post my video, okay, and just after 35 minutes after continue this, my you can see here this is my, so don't any press button and continue start this my Windows 8.1. You can see this is a continue this my video, because a long duration time may be possible. So after 35 minutes complete my this installation and restart this my video, or restart this my operating system, and I'm post sometime my video and resume this, okay, continue this my video, and some my application startup here, okay, background side first start this my Windows 8.1, and you can see this is some additional feature, and in Windows 8.1 you can see here start and take some time. You can see this is completely background process is start from my computer here, okay. So Windows 8.1 is a good of feature for computer and computer related area sites. You can see this is one type of different type of network and internet connection you have. So completely starts already automatically. So you can see this getting devices complete start 25% and 75% showing me in my computer. So getting devices ready is 100% complete, and applications ready, okay. So getting ready is one type of showing in my computer, okay. So you can see here, this is my computer in showing my computer is getting ready, and you can see it will take some minutes. So you are already old, you are using Windows 7, and you want to Windows 8.1 install on your computer operating system. So be carefully use, because before you installation, first take backup every your user data. Okay, user data very important. Okay, so without your user data, don't any problem create. So first completely your take data from your main computer, computer, your user desktop, download music folder, and the video and some emails folder. And after take backup, so create first your bootable pen drive. And I'm already created bootable pen drive. How many type of create bootable pen drive? And you have already Windows 8.1 CD DVD drive. So you can start CD DVD drive type to computer. So you are using bootable pen drive, so configure your BIOS menu. Okay, I'm already created BIOS related video. Okay, and this is very important for your computer and computer installation video. So you can see here, this is my computer in you can see here, this is part of start my Windows 8.1 ready to using applications and some registry background side. You can see this is start here. Okay, so some advanced restart my computer again. You can see here, this is a restart again my computer, and you can see this is showing me my computer in you can see here, this is start my Windows. Okay, so you can see this is one type of Windows operating system. Start again, restart. So take some 1 minute. After complete, ask me settings, and start everything my settings related. So again I'm showing you just like before you installation, very important for 4 point, very important. First point is you are already install some old type of operating system, so you must have one type of data. So take bit data other partition. Okay, second is the main partition, only leave one, and other partition you must change name. And third is main part is important is BIOS menu configuration. Okay, I'm already created some previous video. Okay, so product key asks me one type of my computer Windows 8.1. You can see here, so you are already purchased your Windows 8.1, so one type of showing me this type of product key. Okay, so product key is one type of important of your important of your start your activate your account. So I have now product key and click on skip. You can see here, after skip you can see this is let's go 5 basic of so first you are setting your your basic of your computer, your window. You can see this red, blue, green and thing. So I'm default enter here. Okay, and PC name enter. Okay, so PC one name give here. Okay, PC one name, and enter one. Okay, and click on next. You can see here, click on next, and after you can see this is a very important for settings. Okay, so completely understand about, so you can privacy statement, you can learn about more settings. So first customize, click on customize, and customize me. You can see UV connected network. Do you want to find PC devices automatically connected? So I'm click on no this time. So Windows update related. Okay, so you want a Windows update some new type of feature created from Microsoft company, and Microsoft company server give type facilities in new type of settings related. So Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 related some. So window update your window. So some applications, some feature add in your company through. Okay. So you want to like automatically, so you can enter automatically. Either you don't set up a Windows update, but you want update. So first you connect you have internet connection. Okay. So automatically some drivers, some applications, new devices related file and very important very for files and some features download from Microsoft server. So you can set up here, but I don't like, so I'm enter here. But you want to start, so automatically good. So I don't like this and click on automatically update your applications, because all type applications, all generation type application not working in a computer. So automatically update your application, but internet must use this technology. Help protect your PC and your privacy. So some smart screen online services help protect against malicious content. Sometime virus type of websites, virus type of give applications and download or some important code. So you can enter and protect. So click on send do not track require website in website Internet Explorer. So sometime do not track. Okay, do not track send your some tracking website available in your Internet Explorer. So you can send do not track request. Okay, website to Internet Explorer. So you are using Internet Explorer. So Microsoft company tracking your computer. Okay. So this is a choice on you. On off. On means one type of sending requests and your new type of this technology. Windows 8, Windows 8.1 same these feature available. So request send to your computer from your computer to Windows Server Internet Explorer using. Next, you can see check online solution, some error reporting, some solution problem. So click on and use the compatibility list. Internet Explorer help improve some experience, some sites. So you can compatibility integrate. So this using internet connection help improve Microsoft product and services. Some send Microsoft company using a send some location. So location I'm send some location off. Okay, send Microsoft information from your PC as part of the customer experience and improve your program. So some your feedback, your one type of so of as it is send Microsoft information somehow I use help some part experience improve program. So no, click on same as it is. Share information Microsoft and other services. So you want to share something, so I am not sharing something. This is a Bing. Bing is one type of Google type of created Microsoft company create Google search engine. So Microsoft company same Google type search engine create and give name Bing company. Okay. So Bing is one type of created by Microsoft company and one type of search engine, and these always show in Microsoft Internet Explorer only browser. Okay, Internet Explorer browser only. So Bing is a search suggestion, webs result, website in search. Yes, I don't like. Internet Explorer use preload pages and send browsing history. So browser history is very private for you. So click on off. Let's use the name my picture. So no. Let's add my advanced import ID across app. No, not set. And let's window application request location. So location not, and get builder protection malware sending file. So this is the defender turned it on is good for you. So click on and checking your internet connection in your computer. Okay. So maybe you have a connection, internet connection, so sometime checking and not have your connection, internet connection. So second option is skip. It is showing your computer second option. Okay, so your account related. So okay, so account related, create a local account. Either you can enter your internet connection. Okay, so this is showing me Microsoft company account. Okay, Microsoft company account. So I don't like Microsoft company. I will create my simple account. So first enter username. I'm enter Nick John. Okay, this type enter name, my computer username. Okay, you only local username. Enter password. You can enter password here. Okay, my case I am not this time enter password. I will show you password, but you want enter password, so enter password here. Okay, any password. So remember your password, very important, and enter password hint. Okay, and click on finish. So final easy setting is complete. Okay, and this is showing me hi message and complete everything. So second step is installation complete. After second step is very important, install your motherboard driver, not operating system related driver. This is only operating system related driver. Okay, so your own motherboard driver is a very and helpful and very good of your system. Why? Because sometime your motherboard not completely compatible operating system driver. Okay, so especially to find your motherboard model number and your enter driver. So you can see here, this is my desktop and my Windows operating system 8.1 completely installed here. Okay, and you can see this is my desktop, and you can click on start menu. Okay, so this is a window 8.1, and you can see this is a PC. Okay, this PC means my computer Windows 7. So this logo not showing window 8, and this reason create a new my window 8.1. Okay, window 8.1 create a operating system. Okay, so you are already window 8 and window 8.1 is same operating system, but only one thing change only, this logo not showing, this icon not showing in window 8, and this reason create window 8.1. Okay, is problem. So you can see here, this is a it's called tiles. Okay, I will show you everything window 8.1, everything information, some settings, features, everything I will show you in next some video in this my playlist. Okay, so you can see this is my name. Okay, username, and I click on, I can log, sign out, change account picture, so I can change and how was shut down computer. So click on start menu, and you can see this is a power button. Okay, power option, click on power option and click on shutdown. Okay, so shutdown and complete here. Okay, so you can see this is my one type of computer showing me. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue how using a computer, internet, and this is a window 8.1 how using a computer driver. Okay, so you can see this is this PC. Okay, this is the my bootable drive. Okay, bootable pen drive. You can see here 3D drive. You can see this type, and this PC file explorer. Okay, and you can see desktop, everything my, and the second is very important for eject your pen drive, remove your pen drive, remove your CD DVD drive. Okay, so installation complete 95%. So eject everything, because this is a very important for your computer and your system. Either again going in installation process, so maybe problem. So eject CD DVD drive and pen drive remove from your computer, okay, because complete installation Windows 8.1, okay. So I'm you can see this is Skype, everything this give by Microsoft company, not my, okay. I'm not download any application. This give from only Microsoft company through, okay. Microsoft company different type of give applications, and we're going to downside. So lot of applications showing me, okay, for specific system related, and you can see this is one type of showing everything, and you can see control panel here, same of control panel Windows 7, okay, not changing anything. You can see, okay, Windows 8.1 same, 99% same here, okay. Windows 8.1 and this reason very small icon. Why? Because I'm not completely installed Windows 8.1 driver, real my motherboard driver. This is only send you can see Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer, you can see this is internet browser, okay, internet browser, but I'm using Google Chrome browser, okay. So complete time installation only 95%, and motherboard complete driver, so installation 100% complete, okay. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, and click on bell icon when I upload new videos, so YouTube send new notification in this region. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue how install driver, okay, and Windows 8.1, everything basic knowledge to